All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom grill set. Another one we just had done for a customer. This one here is 8 on 8. 8 top, 8 bottom teeth. It is solid 925, sterling silver, precious metal, handmade for a perfect fit. Snaps right on the teeth, guys. And I'll show you the back side. So basically, the way it works is you just snap it right on your teeth. Okay. These are available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.